On the 21st of July this year, the Ministry of Health under the Public Health Act introduced a statutory instrument which, among others, directed the wearing of face masks and other measures to beat the spread of COVID-19. However, the measure calls for punishments, including imprisonment. The ministry has issued such statutory instruments to fight the spread of COVID-19, with President Museveni also calling for an amendment to the Public Health Act to deal with the shortcomings that Cabinet is working on.
Aware of the limitations of the current Public Health Act, Cabinet will fast-track its amendment to facilitate the enforcement of SOPs and include, among others, the on-spot and court fines of those who fail to adhere to SOPs. So in the new proposed law, first the punishments will be stronger, but also the method of administering the punishments will change. You can be fined on the spot.
However, a section of members of parliament say the country has several laws that have not been implemented.
This is a country that has the best laws in the globe. But when we look at implementation, it becomes hard.
I think the president is contradicting himself, or else he's being misled. You can't say you are opening gym, you can't say you are opening sauna, and then you want people to wear masks.
Every time there is a law, there is also a fine. And if a police officer knows that the fine for this is 100,000, that is the starting point when he's bargaining with the suspect. That you see, if you are to be convicted, you'll pay 100,000, so give me 50,000.
These are calling on government to put up more efforts to sensitizing the Ugandans about the dangers of the COVID-19 and its existence.
Telling someone you don't need to really squeeze him at the corner. Let us talk to the masses like he has been doing. People fear this virus. They will fear it, they will social distance, they will make sure they put on their masks. We don't need a law on SOPs.
Because there are certain people, of course, who have taken it to their, actually some even campaign against use of masks and so on. But what we need now is sensitization. Let leaders get engaged.
These have accused government of failing to distribute masks to Ugandans and are now targeting them for arrest.
It promised the distribution of masks where even the taxpayers' money was budgeted to buy for him masks, and those masks were not given.
The president was not clear on when the amendment will be ready and presented before parliament. Juma Kidia, NTV.